Hi guys, I'm Christina from HungryForever Bangalore, and today we're here at Aloft, the backyard where they're hosting an absolutely amazing barbecue night. Today is the first time that we're going to try it out, and they have an amazing Tex-Mex theme, so we can't wait to try it out. So we just had an absolutely amazing barbecue night here at Aloft, the backyard. One of the best things about the Bangalore weather is getting to grill up things and hang out with your friends, and that's what Smokey Thursdays at Aloft has definitely captured. We absolutely love the salmon, the tenderloin. One of the other things that we also really enjoyed was that they named a couple of the dishes after prominent food critics in Bangalore. So if you're a big fan of foodies, then you'll definitely want to try that out. So if you like grills and a lot of barbecue, then you should definitely head to Aloft for their Smokey Thursdays night every single Thursday. Remember to pencil that out on your calendar. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media pages. And don't forget to stay hungry.